All right, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Market is nasty right now, man. The market is nasty right now. Uh, Yesterday, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I didn't stream. Number one, my camera was messing up, and I found out it was just dying. So I thought it was charging the whole time. So I'm like trying to figure out. I'm taking the battery in. I mean, taking the battery out, putting it back in, taking it out, putting it back in. I'm like, yo, why is stuff not working, yo? And come to find out, it was just dying. But I had a terrible trading day yesterday. Not gonna lie to you, had a terrible trading day. Lost a lot of money. But I wanted to show y'all, man, the market's been. I don't even know what's going on with the market right now. The market is kind of crazy. As you could tell, we had this big slide. This was from last night, and then this happened this morning. Um, but yesterday, what happened yesterday? Was this? I want to say this was from yesterday. This is nine. Yeah. So this was yesterday. Yesterday it went up and then it started sliding on back down. And I was somewhere around. Well, actually, I got caught up here, and then also I was in here trading. And man, I was trading wild inside of here. So it was like all kind of messed up. Like the market would go up and then it'll just shoot down like really, really fast, y'all. So that kept happening yesterday. So this has been a week to like just take profit as quick as possible. Honestly, because like I just had a trade where I was up like $50 and then woof, that motherfucker went down so quick. But luckily I set a stop loss and I made like $4 off of it. But today I'm in the negative right now. Let's see, I think I'm like negative 50, $60 or something like that. Yeah, $70. I'm negative 70 right now. So I'm not having a good trading day so far. So now I'm kind of just waiting. And I actually was in a play where I just made like $28. But I got out of it because like I don't know, the market's so shaky. And good thing I did get out of it because as soon as I got out of it, it dropped. Like it ended up dropping into this little part right here. So that's what I was like, man. So the reason why I put the title name, "Are we in a recession?" Because the market's kind of wild right now, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. The market is very wild, but it's not like going down all the way. If you look at it, like it's kind of staying here. And my thing is, once it gets to this area, it's happened like 2 days now, where it gets to this area right here, right here. So I would. So this is why I drew this gold line right here because I'm calling this support pretty much. Because once it gets to that area, it pretty much goes back up. And the same thing was happening yesterday. Yesterday we went a little bit through it, but as you can tell, it recovered and came back up, and then it went back down to this area again. So it's just like trying to. So this area, how the market's flowing right now, it's just not a good time to try to hold trades. I don't think so. At least not for me, because whenever I did, I lost money, and I lost money in a major way. I was up to like 1,300. Now I'm down to like 400. So it's nasty out here. It's nasty. But that's mostly my fault. A bunch of I actually was up to like 1,000, and then I was just doing dumb trade after dumb trade, and then like I said, a candle will be going my way, and then swoop, it'll just drop down like with the quickness, yo. So yesterday was a little nasty, man. It was a little nasty. Markets and a lot of uncertainty, and I think it's because of these jobs scare. It's like the jobs were came back weak yesterday. The market was in a mixed feeling yesterday, so we probably just gonna have some mixed days. Normally, whenever if they saying the market is mixed, that means the market's gonna be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it's kind of hard to tell where we gonna go or what the market's gonna do. But yeah, so that's the reason why I named this "Are we in a recession?" Because everybody fearing that we going into a recession. It's hard to tell when you trading because I'm trading in a different time. But it's weird when they say recession when the price is like a pretty good price. Uh, but just how everything's going, it make it seem like maybe we might be going into a recession. Or a lot of people say that we already are in a recession. I don't really know because I'm just now trading like that, so it's kind of hard for me to tell what's going on or what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So uh, yeah. But I just wanted to stream today since I didn't get to stream yesterday. I wanted to stream last night, man. I got some good stuff for y'all, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. See if I can pull it up real quick. Uh, yeah, I got some good stuff for y'all. I'm gonna do a stream where I'm showing y'all. Where I'm showing y'all all this stuff right here. This is like all from all my notes that I learned because I really wanted to show y'all what I was talking about the other day when I did that stream. I noticed that my mouse wasn't showing on the stream, so that's why I like went ahead and put the pictures back up to where I could show y'all what a candlestick is. So I will be doing. I might do a stream tonight. I think yeah, I'm pretty much gonna do a stream tonight. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a stream tonight, and I'm gonna show y'all what candlesticks are, what it means, the candlestick strength. I'm gonna go over some candlestick patterns that you can watch out for, and this is all technical analysis stuff right here. Even this right here, this is a good chart to go off of before you trade. What's the trend? Blah blah blah. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, the trend would be bearish, right? Because it's a bearish trend. Is the price at resistance? No, so don't trade. But this would be a resistance point right here, right? This is one of my resistance points. Oh well, shit, y'all can't see that. Y'all can only see the full screen. Yeah. Okay, never mind then. But yeah. So this is a good little chart to go off of. So I'll be looking at that as well too. But back to the chart. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all what I'm gonna be streaming about later on. Because I really want to like give y'all a good idea of all the stuff I was talking about on the stream from 2 days ago. Where I think I showed y'all that 2 days ago. I can't remember, but this is stream number 6. So thank y'all for following me on my journey. If you are watching the video, make sure you like and subscribe. All that good stuff. Like the video. No. But yeah, man. Like I said, market's nasty right now. I'm just waiting for a trade at this point in time. I might not even trade. I might just say I lost $70 today and just keep it like that, bro. Because like I said, man, this is the market's really confusing right now. Like not one way is going the way that you would think it would go. Like right now, if I'm looking at the 5 minutes, which I'm looking at on my chart, like it looked all good to go up, right? But somehow, some way, oh, let's go look at the volume. I still got volume on here. Let's go look at volume. Let's see what the people are doing. All right. So as you can tell, we got a lot of action right here, and it's mostly because it's 8:30. But it's a lot of action on the buy, a lot of action on the sell. So it's kind of even right now. So this is what everybody else is doing inside of the market. This is showing you the volume of trades right now. It's getting a little weaker, so it's not as much activity going on. I was actually in a good play, and I believe that play because, like I told y'all, I had this line right here. So pretty much every time it's tapped that line, it went right back up. It did the same thing yesterday. It came back to it, and then went up, then came back to it, went up. Did the same thing before that. Well, yeah, this was Tuesday. So same thing here. Came up to it, went back up, went back up. And this is where I had a really good day on this day. Whenever the market's consistently one way, I usually make pretty good money. But whenever it's not like that, like yesterday was this, uh, and then it rolled out into this, and then came back to that. Like I don't know. Yesterday was a weird day, and I got caught up in the mix. And sometimes that happens, man. Sometimes that happens. It's all part of the game. But I'm down, but I ain't out. You know what I'm saying? And plus, the way my thinking is shit, man. Just throw a little more money in there and just try at it again. But we do, as you could tell, we do have a double bottom forming here. And I want to show y'all this on the screen as well. Fuck. See, I'll show y'all this on the screen. So this is what I'm looking at right here. This is a double bottom. This is a double top. This is a ascending triangle. This is a descending triangle. And this is a bullish pendant. This is a bearish pendant. I think they call it pendant. I want to say it's called pendant. I'm pretty sure it's called pendant. I have to double check that. But you can see it here. So you see this right here? See that right there? So in order for it to end up being the right play, it has to come up to the neckline. And then once it gets to the neckline, it has to go above it. But usually once it come up here, it usually comes back. And then once it comes back and then goes back up, that's when you for sure got the double bottom going. Let's see if I got it somewhere over here. I guess I don't. Damn, I thought I added that. So I'm gonna have to add that for later too, so that way y'all can see it. Oh, there we go. That was a flag, a bullish flag and a bearish flag. There we go. I knew I was wrong. All right. So back to the chart so y'all can see what I'm talking about. What that mean? What that means. But yeah. So would be waiting for it to hit here. I highly doubt it will. I don't think it goes up to this area, but we'll see. That's why I'm just kind of waiting. Number one, I've already lost like 70, so I ain't trying to lose that much more than what I lost already. I do want to make money, but this is a weird time in the market, man. It's a weird time. So I just don't want to like push nothing and go crazy or nothing like that, because it's unpredictable. So it's an unpredictable market, unpredictable day. It's raining outside, man. It ain't even a beautiful day outside, so like I don't even expect it to be a beautiful day trading. You know what I'm saying? And what's funny yesterday? I'm gonna tell y'all a story. Yesterday, I had a weird thing, man. I like did something that I usually don't do early in the morning, because I like go out and grind and do these Amazon deliveries, right? and I did one at like 4 a.m. I hate doing the 4 a.m. ones because like it's just too early for me. It's dark. I could barely see and stuff like that, right? So I did one, and I came home, right? I got home, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm going to sleep. And I soon, sure enough, I got a thing, bro, where if I look at the charts, I'm gonna be just glued to the charts because like I like doing this every day, right? So I was looking at the charts, and I thought I saw a play, and I went ahead and got in, but I was like, damn, bro, like I should have just got out, and I lost $300 instantly. And I was like, damn, bro, all right, I'm gonna just go to sleep. But once again, I looked at the chart, I was sitting in front of the chart, and I just couldn't leave. And then I ended up losing some more, and then I won some more, then I lost some more, won some more, lost some more. And it just became from me being up all the way up until fucking 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Just and that's like the worst thing to do. The thing is with trading, you want to like be trading for. That's why I keep the streams to like an hour, right? Because usually you want to trade for an hour to 2 hours and be done. That's usually what you want to do. Because if you're sitting on the charts all day, you're gonna start getting unconfident. You're gonna start doing all kind of moves because the chart's going the market is going to continue to move regardless of what you do. Like the market's gonna move. Uh, but yeah, man, it was a dumb day. Like I just it was dumb on my part. I would say it wasn't nobody else but me. And that's the thing about the market. You can't really blame nobody but yourself. That's all you can. All that's the only person you can blame because it's pretty much you versus you. Honestly, it's not you versus everybody else. Although you are in competition with everybody else, but the biggest enemy is yourself. Remember that when you're trading, your biggest enemy is yourself because greed comes in. You get unconfident, you get too confident. Uh, Maybe you're not that knowledgeable of the area. Maybe you're not that knowledgeable of the market state. Sometimes you in your mind you could be thinking the market's going one way, but it don't. So that happens a lot too. You'll be thinking the market's going to be going where you want it to go, and that don't happen that way. And like, and that's a heavy thing. That's a heavy thing. That's why I lost so big a couple months ago because I was like, oh, for sure. Because you hear all this news, right? You hear the news, it's like recession, recession, the market's going down, blah, blah, blah. So you bet on that. You start to bet on that. You start to hedge on that. It's like in sports gambling. You like, man, Steph Curry, he always gonna hit at least two threes. And then that one night he don't hit a three. And you looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because that happens in the market as well too. Like you'll be thinking that market's going one way and then it don't, or you can be following the trend, doing your thing, having all your setups the right way, and it just go the other way. That's why it's just good to be patient. That's why I'm just taking my time. Honestly, I feel like I trade better when I'm streaming because like I don't want to embarrass myself. You know what I'm saying? By just doing stupid stuff. So I think that's when I trade the best. So that's why y'all just gonna see these streams because it helps me be a better trader, even if nobody watching. You know what I'm saying? Like nobody can be watching or whatever. But in my head, if anybody is watching or just happens to jump on, I don't want them to jump on and then they see me losing $300 immediately because that's gonna kind of scare y'all away. Like me, I'm used to losing money, making money, losing money, making money, and that's from crypto. With crypto, I've made 50,000 in a day, 20,000 in a day, 10,000, but I've also lost $20,000 in an hour, $30,000 in an hour. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little used to it. So which is weird to say, right? Because like that's how numb I am to I guess you could say money, but I'm money conscious, right? But um, I don't know. I've been doing it so long. Like whenever you start doing it so long, you'll make money and you'll lose money. So it won't affect you as much as it would if you wasn't used to it. Like if you just jumped in, it's your first day trading. You put in $1,000. and you lose 3, you might be like, fuck that. I ain't fucking with this shit no more. For me, I'm just like, all right, keep going. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know, it's 1,000. Like, it's not a lot, but it's something. You know what I'm saying? And it's hell, $1,000 is a lot to me. You know what I'm saying? It's something to me. You know what I'm saying? $1,000 means something. But I don't know. Like, you just get used to it, I guess you could say. So right now I drew this little line here because that's this line from yesterday. That's this support zone. So now it's kind of like the new resistance, but since we on 5 minutes, I'm marking it as a new support as well to see if it taps through, and it got to go through that and close through it, and then I'll be happy to take it down, to take the market going back down. If it taps it and goes back up and pulls back up, then we might be going up. But also I got this resistance line here, which this is from somewhere. I drew it from somewhere. I think I showed this to like 2 days ago. It was over here like 2 days ago. I believe so. Uh, so yeah. But yeah, like I said, I don't know where it came from. I drew it somewhere. And whenever I look at it though, it matches up very well because boom, boom. And if I was to zoom out, I would be able to see that it shit matches up here, over here, over here. So yeah, this was it wasn't an area drawn out of nowhere, drawn out of nowhere. Oh yeah, I probably did it somewhere in here in December. Look like. All right, so now it's starting to go back down. So now I want to see it close. So we got that pullback. This is the last minute right here for the 5. So let's see what it do. Oh, what it do? Like I said, I would like to see it close underneath. But I'm not confident that it's going up. Let's go ahead and draw a little trend line here. Let's see what we got. I want to do that part or this one. Let's do this one. All right, we got it to close underneath. So now I expect it to go a little bit above it, and then I'll enter in my sell from there. Because like I said, I'm not very confident that it's going down. But see how I'm thinking that it's not going to go up. I got it in my head it's not going to go up, but it can completely go up. So that's the thing. That's why I got these markers set. And I just don't believe it's going up because of this right here. Because of this line, and then also as you can tell, it just ain't went past that. It tried to go up from it once, tried to do it again twice and got denied, and even just tried to do it again and it got denied. So it pretty much got denied like 4 times or 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that brings my confidence level up. So like I said, I'm waiting for this candle to go above, which it is. And now I should be able to put in my sell. Yep, let go up a little bit more, a little bit more. See what you're gonna do. All right, we got to move back down. So now to put in the trade. And we'll see how this play out. So like I said earlier, today, man, I'm taking quick pips, man. Like pretty much 10 to 20 pips and I'm out. Or 10 to 20 points and I'm out. Just because how the market is, it's shaky. It's a lot of up and down action. So I'm just not trusting it. So I'll go ahead and share this tab with y'all so y'all can see the trade. And we'll see what it do. While keeping my eyes on the chart. And it's looking like I just entered in too early. So what I won't do, I won't let it go past 33,408. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. 33, 4. I'll just put 410. Just be on the safe side. Just give me some wiggle room there. I feel like if I put 408, it's gonna hit. Most likely. Hell, this might hit. It's at 396. So we'll see. All right. Come on. We in positive territory now. And we back out of it until the negative. So I might just get out of this play because I might just be too early. It sure as hell looking like it. But hey, that's why I be saying though, man, like I don't trust the market right now, yo. I do not trust it at all. It's on some up and down stuff. So I gave it some room, but it's looked like that's finna hit. We had 40, 06, 08, 07. Well, I'm glad I didn't do 408 because that would have topped. It would have hit. That would have hit. That's why you got to give it some room sometimes. Just give it some breathing room. That was close. That was close. It was close. Now, if it go back up to negative $20, I got to get out because that's a done deal there. So I'm trying to do what I didn't do yesterday. Yesterday I was just doing some wild shit, yeah. So I'm like not trying to be so wild with my trades, man, and just be better and just take loss, man. Like sometimes you just gotta take the fucking loss. It hurts, it sucks, but sometimes you just gotta take the loss, man. Like, I got all positive signs right now, but like I said, I'm looking for 10 points and I'm dipping because I just don't trust it. They could be doing all this and just shoot up out of nowhere, yo. Like, it's nasty out here. I don't even trust this one. Mm, yeah. All right, so I would like to close out in positive, but I think I'm gonna just get out of this one because I just don't trust it. I've seen this before. It's dancing too much for my liking. You know what I'm saying? Yep, too much. You dancing too much. Like I'm trying to let it play in my favor, but it ain't playing in my favor. There we go. A little bit. I still don't trust it though. I don't trust you. So I'm gonna just walk away from this with pretty much no profit, man. I don't trust it. Although it's pretty much showed me everything that should be going down. But like I don't know, bro. I don't like the market right now. I really don't. And it's a good thing I did, yo, because I don't know. I don't trust it, man. Shit's shaky right now. And sure enough, it went back up. So at least I can get in at a better price. My last price was 33,391, and we had see that's why I got out. I didn't trust it. I did not trust it. What girl? What? What girl? What? What girl? What? What girl? All right, let's see. All right, let's try this again. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. And shit, man, we just gonna keep it like fourth and inches, baby. We just gonna keep getting it, man. Cause $10, $10. If I do $10 10 times, shit, that's $20. Just cause I don't trust the market, yo. I don't know where you're going. So I'm showing y'all this is pure scalping right here. Cause usually when you scalping is usually done within the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and 30 minute. And then your hour, 4 hour, and daily is when you start kind of holding trades. Like I said, the market's too up and down for me to want to hold trades. And plus, I have not been good at holding trades at all. That is something that I want to get better at. But I feel like you get better with that whenever you got more money in the account to like make those moves. You know what I mean? And be able to hold. All right, so it went back up. What we got? 33.92. I would like to get 33, not 33.4 again before I enter in another sell if I do. But see, now the market's kind of closing up, and you can see here this is volume as well. So volume's not very big. Now I could have made some more money off that, but like I'm just not trusting of the market right now because it can go up and then shit come on right back down. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, yeah, basically. Hey, so I actually caught that move, bro. I caught that move, and then I got out of it because that one little candle that came down, I think, caught that move and got out. Maybe like 28. This shit, hey, bro, this shit choppy, bro. That's my mentor hit me up, man. Hey, shout out to my mentor, yo. Uh, I ain't in profit, bro. uh, I am not in profit. Yeah, hey, like he's saying, it's pretty much done, man. I mean, it's still moves to be made, but it's too nasty right now, yo. Like, so where So yeah, this is where he got his move from right here. It looked like. Uh, wait. Boom and boom. Yeah, that one, and then that one. Yeah. So yeah, he got in somewhere around here, which I caught that move. That's funny. Yo, shout out to my dog, man. Shout out to my dog, man. My mentor, good dude, man. He be on my ass, and needily so, man. Cause shit, he always be telling me, "Hey, you ain't trying to make no money," and and he be right, bro. Cause like I'll be making money, and then I'll go and lose it the next day, bro. So I just gotta get better at that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, shout out to him, man, and thank you to him, man. Thank you to him for just keeping me going with this shit, keeping me pushing. Cause that nigga just made like 2 grand. You know what I'm saying? I've lost $60 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So that's the difference in trading. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, he there. I'm like here. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get up there to where he at, and I'm pretty sure he trying to get above to his next level. So hey, it's all part of the game, baby. How it goes. But without him, I probably would have gave up. I ain't gonna lie. Actually, I wouldn't have. But being able to see him do it, that let me know. It gives me more confidence in knowing I could do it as well too. So shout out to him, man. But yeah, hey, if you still watching, I'm looking for my play to go down. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't happening. Like it's I don't know. It's just stagnant. The market not moving very much. And you can tell the volume has went down too, so it's not a lot of people trading right now, or it's not a lot of money in the market right now. And it's probably because everybody looking at it too, like, yo, this shit tripping. Wait, ain't got my last move. All right, yeah. So I'm negative $58 for the day so far. I might be done, cause like I said, man, I don't like the moves right now. It ain't really doing much of nothing, as y'all can see. How long we been streaming for? Been streaming for 40 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off and just take it for what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like it is what it is. I might trade later if I see something later on, but right now I ain't really seeing much of nothing. And I'm scared of this part right here because this has been a indecisive area. So last time it was in this area, I'll show y'all. Last time it was in this area, it went down, right? It went down and then it came back up immediately. Let me get this volume off here. Oops. What's this? What the fuck is that? Is that the 800? Oh shit! I know we were so close to the 800. Oh, did we ever tap that? Oh, we was riding above it for a little bit, then it went over. Okay, interesting. But yeah, all right. So if y'all been watching, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Uh, like I said, I will be streaming later on. I'm gonna be going in more in depth on these candlesticks because I really want to break that down for y'all. And also, I like going back into my old notes and seeing stuff that I like put down and seeing stuff that I was like studying on to learn because it's just helping me in my journey. Because like I said, I only been trading for a year, Been doing it for a year, like a year and 3 months now. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Whoop whoop, raise the roof, baby. But yeah, so I only been doing it for a short time. So going back to see some of my old stuff, as y'all can tell, uh, I went back in time to remind myself that like you don't have to become a millionaire overnight. So I printed this out when I first started, and I put it back on my fridge just to remind me. This shows you right here. If you make $50 in a day, you can make $12,000 in a year. $100 a day is $25,000 in a year. $250 a day is $63,000 a year. This is the area I would like to be in. Oh shit, I got it upside down. Do I got it upside down? Oh no, I didn't. Anyway, so yeah, this is the area I would like to be in. $250, $63,000 a year. Like that's a job right there. That's a job. Most jobs make between, I don't know. I think that average person in America make anywhere between $30,000 to $40,000 a year. So if you're making $63,000 a year, that's pretty much $5,000 a month. So when I keep stuff like that in my head, that lets me know to keep my goals short, to make them become bigger. Because I don't have to make $1,000 every day, man. Like having that $1,000 day, it was great. It was great. It felt good, but it also messed me up because the next day I went in super aggressive. And I kind of did the same thing yesterday because the day before I made like $400, right? So the next day I went in super aggressive, and I keep telling myself I can have a good day, and then the next day I can still have another good day. I can have 2 good days in a row, but I have to check myself. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I get a little cocky. You know what I'm saying? I get a little cocky and a little overconfident, and I just go in swinging. I go in swinging because I'm like trying to make the most money and shit, right? But you know, it's just all about checking yourself and keeping myself grounded. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm trying to do now is keep myself grounded. And whenever the reason why I haven't been very successful trading or I haven't been profitable, I will say I've been successful, but I haven't been very profitable, is because my days that I lose big. Like whenever I lose 300, 400, 500, 600. Some days 1,000. Like yesterday, I lost like $800. Like that was terrible. So like I'm letting my lost days overtake my win days. So Tuesday I made $400, right? And then the next day I lost 800. So that was pretty much all of the work plus more. And that's just not good for trading. I'm not going to be successful if I'm letting my lost days overtake my win days. So that's why you see me today like, hey, I'm at negative $58. I can just walk away because honestly, this is my best lost day I've had in a while. Usually my lost days are 300, 400, 500, 600, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I want to get in the habit of if I do have a bad day, that it's not punishing me or my account on my good days. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my bad days to overtake my good days because that's where I'm at where I'm at. So once I get past that, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be one of the best traders that y'all ever seen. So thank y'all for following me on my journey. Y'all just keep watching, keep checking in, keep checking me out, and I'm gonna just keep streaming. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep showing y'all the ups and downs. Hopefully, y'all see me make mistakes, so y'all don't make the same mistakes. So that's why I'm streaming because like it's a very profitable thing. Like I said, if you make $250 a day, that's $63,000. That can take you out of a job. You know what I'm saying? Or you can still have your job and trade, and that puts you at $100,000 a year. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's Too Litty signing out, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get some more dope.